Hello everybody, welcome to my junky workbench. I've got a ton of projects going on right now, so it is a mess, but reason I'm making this video, I'll just show you guys something real cool here. Check this out. The Heathkit Visual Aural Signal Tracer. Got this from Mr. Scott, Mr. Needlebender 267, Mr. Lima Alpha 267, and I just want to say I really appreciate this, Scott. We were talking on the phone the other night, and started talking about signal tracers, and he had one, and I've always wanted one, and he said, "Man, I'll ship it to you." So, man, I sent him a few bucks in shipping, and a few days later, here it is. You know, awesome. Now, I mean, I need to work on it. Of course, it's right now it's just a showpiece, but you know, you can go online on eBay, and there are sellers out there that have cap kits and for these, and the test leads and everything. So it's really cool. And basically what it does is it's got a gain stage here. You get a tracer, noise, watt meter, all sorts of stuff, but you use it as a signal tracer. So basically, if you're working on a radio, right, and you're having trouble getting audio through the radio, there's a bad component in there somewhere, you can actually use a signal generator, put you a tone in there, and then use this to probe around in there and hear the sound. The sound will come out of the speaker here, so you can actually hear the modulation. So you can probe around through the chain and find where the break is, where the, you know, broken link in the chain, basically, and know where to make your repair. It does a lot of cool stuff. And Scott, again, I appreciate it. And for any of you Lima Alpha guys out there that's looking for maybe a rotor for a beam, give old Scott a call. Great guy to deal with. Like I said, he's Lima Alpha. He's one of us. And high gain stuff. Scott's your man. He's also a high gain radio collector too, which is really cool. I haven't seen the pictures of his collection yet, but I imagine it's probably extensive. So, put his card right here. If anybody needs rotor repair, or you're looking to buy a rotor, need a control box, want a rotor easy installed, Scott's your guy. Like I said, he's a local Lima Alpha guy. Not really local, he's out of Colorado, but like I said, I wouldn't have any problems sending him money or whatever. Scott's a great guy. And what I mean by the easy controller, check this out. I'll go over here real quick. I'm going to show you guys something. Some of you guys might like this. Maybe some of you don't. I don't know. But anyway, this is my rotor controller here. See the house right there? That's me. That's my QTH. So basically what I can do, oh, and this is the gray line. So as you know, night progresses, the gray line goes further and further that way. This is sunrise. You can see the sun's coming up there in Africa. So that's pretty cool. So let's just say I wanted to talk to Africa. I'm sitting here, you know, at my station, blah, blah, blah. I want to talk to Africa. I look up here and grab my computer mouse and just say I want to go to Johannesburg, you know, somewhere over here. I can just click. Just click. My rotor goes right to that location. It's got brake delay, all that stuff. I don't have to worry about it. You know. Also with Ham Radio Deluxe here that I'm using, you can let's see, go to tools. Where was it? Display, view. Display, I don't remember now. But anyway, you can go long path. Oh, here we are. Short path, long path. So I can go long path. Now check this out. That's pretty cool. So, say if I wanted to talk to Australia here, I can beam this way over Africa and around. And the great thing about this, it takes the curvature of the Earth into consideration for your beam pointing. You're not just looking at a flat map, right? So it takes all that into account. Go back to short path here. You can see the way it curves, how it curves around. Anyhow, very interesting stuff. Just point and click your rotor. Point your antenna right to where you're pointing at on the map. And that can be done with most of the older style boxes, like these. That one on the top, the CDE, that's one that Scott had done for me. It's got the easy rotor controller in there. And, but I mean, he can do it on the ones on the bottom. It's really a cool deal. Anyway, guys, it's getting late here. Worked all day. I'm tired. I haven't even had a chance to clean up my my bench here. I've been working on this Ranger. Was popping finals and put the 520s back in it. It seems to be doing okay now. I'm just trying to get the audio cleaned up on it, get a good wave on the scope there, but she's not playing nicely, so a lot of back and forth on that one, but hopefully she'll be off the bench here soon. Get that done. But anyway, guys, and Mr. Scott, thanks again for the signal tracer. And all you guys have a great night. Like I said, any of you LA guys need rotor repair, send him the rotor. He'll fix it, send it right back to you. Upgrades, does all that stuff. So you guys have a great evening. 73s, everybody. And talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.